I'm tripping.
I'm about to be this.
Yeah.
How confident are you in that? I know KSI's had a lot of experience.
W.
I don't care.
W. Who we got?
Don't ask me the same shit. Y'all keep
Who
saying
we
the
got?
same thing. I don't give a.
Who we got?
I don't give a. I don't care if he's Nigerian. I don't care how many fights he's had. I don't care if he's Jake Paul. I don't care.
Yeah, it don't
I'm
matter.
his ass, bro. Stop doubting. Y'all keep doubting this conversation. I know everybody doubting you, bro. No, take this. I'm beating his ass, bro.
Yeah.
I'm beating the at KSI, bro.
Yeah, beating his
JJ,
ass.
bring you in here a little quick. I'm coming up here.
Beating his ass. He a bitch. Telling me a hoe.
I'm sure for you in a second.
He not like that. He was
His
never like
response,
that.
He's
He
very,
been a
very
bitch.
angry. He's very up for it. I mean, Speed, he's an unorthodox fighter.
Yeah.
He hasn't had a fight before. I mean, this could be a whole new threat for you.
Yeah, well, when you spar with KSI, you die.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to kill Speed.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Speed. I'm sorry, bro. I'm going to take your life force and absorb it for mine.
Damn.
In a Speed trial, do anything crazy in the ring, maybe hump you or backflip or anything crazy, how do you intend to respond to that?
I'm going to make sure he's lifeless in the ring.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna make sure his body isn't moving.
Oh, fuck.
It's over for him.
Oh, fuck.
He wanted to spar me,
Oh, fuck.
and now he will feel my wrath.
Oh, fuck.
3, 2, 1, action, go!
Who we got? Who we got? I got Speed. Did this nigga come in there with foam runners? Oh, yeah. GG's. What are you running from? What are you running from? What are you running from? What are you running from?
Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, we do that. No.
What the hell?
Yeah, what's going on?
No, hey, we do. Stop laughing, bro. I'm being serious.
Yeah.
We do that. We do the time.
We're doing the time.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Hey, yeah. I'm gonna show I can actually carry it. Come, let's go.
Yeah, tell him.
Let's go.
Tell him, Speed. You run this shit. You run the show. Yeah, tell him. Shit, I'm getting in there and I'm throwing me some. Fuck that nigga. Fuck his training. Shit, I'm coming in that bitch and I'm throwing them hoes. I'm coming in that bitch straight throwing them hoes. Speed, like, fuck, he ain't got shit to lose for real. Speed, like, fuck you. He ain't even guarding his head. Bro, I'm taking his fucking head off. Bro, as soon as he get in there, I'm taking his head off. KSI not even like that. Yeah, tell him. Yeah, show his little ass. Yeah, show his little ass. Show his little ass. Show his little ass. Eat those, we eat those. Tell him, say we eat those. See, nigga, we eat those. Yeah. Yeah, big ass. Yeah, big ass, we eat those. Yeah, Speed, we, yeah. Yeah, little nigga. We eat those. Tell him, Speed, we eat those. Nigga, yeah. Yeah, tell him, say we eat those. Nigga ate those. Nigga ate those. Come on, ate those. How out we ate those? Okay. No grabbing. Let go. Come on now. Nigga.
What, bro?
Get up. It's straight. Shake it off.
More.
It's straight. Shake it off. It's straight. Shake it off. Come on, little bro.
More. Come on.
Come on, little bro. Yeah. Damn. How you feeling? That was around.
Fix my hair gear, bro. Somebody fix my hair gear.
Damn. My nigga really need it. He like,
Shit. Somebody please fix my hair gear. Come on, man.
my nigga need help. Nigga need help. He saying shit. I'm
How you
getting
feeling
fucked
out
up
there,
in there.
Speed?
Bro, fix my... Yo, get this... Bro, can somebody fix my hair gear? Like, come on, bro.
Alright, come here, I'll look it for you.
This nigga done said it 30 times.
Tighter?
Can you get that?
Good. How was it there, then, Speed?
Bro, can you please get that mouthpiece?
My nigga.
I'll hold it for you. It's easy to breathe without it.
Come on, bro. Light one.
How's that
Come on
first
now.
round then, JJ?
Come on now.
Oh, we about to go again.
It's an
I was
extra
about to
minute,
go
it's an extra
again.
minute here. We'll do 2-minute breaks.
2-minute break.
Damn.
Weak.
Damn.
I want more.
Damn.
The shot you went
He
down
talking
with
his
speed,
shit.
What shot was
He
that?
talking his shit.
Right on the appendix.
He talking his shit. He dropping his nuts on you, Speed. That's fucked up.
What?
That's
Just
grown
asking
man
questions.
strength. You got little boy
I'm trying to
strength.
talk
That's
to you,
fucked up. That's fucked up. You came in there thinking shit was sweet. You came in there thinking shit was sweet. You thought it was a skit. You thought shit was for the views. You thought shit was for the clicks. And then that nigga really fucked your ass up. Like, nigga, this shit not for the views. This shit not for the bros. nigga,
JJ,
nigga thought he was for the
Over here
bros.
quickly.
This shit ain't for the
We've only got about
bros.
30 seconds before we get the next round. I'm sure you caught speed.
Ain't none of that. Ain't none of that for the
it's not
bros
body
shit.
shot. I saw it's open. He likes the overhand. I like to take it, eat it. I love to eat overhands. And then I just come through with more shots. Bro, I want more, man. 30 seconds. I want more, man.
Well, anything
Damn.
about speed surprised you in there?
Damn, he
You
want
have a good
more.
Overhand right?
Oh, yeah,
He need
he's
more.
really good at running away. Really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
fantastic. But
Yeah.
once the cage, the ring gets smaller and smaller,
Yeah, tell
and
him.
his stamina starts to slow down,
Yeah, tell him.
reduce,
Speed gum shield.
then it's my time.
Tell him.
5, 4,
Tell him. No nigga just say fuck it. It is what it is.
and action, guys. Box, please. Timing. Get the duck.
Damn. Damn, that nigga took off his headgear on his ass. Damn, he said that nigga weak as fuck. My bad. My ears was hurting. Shit, I be real. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, beat his ass. Beat his ass. Beat that nigga ass. Beat that nigga ass. Speed, I'm really on your side, but like, he ain't even trying to throw shit. It's like, damn. It's like, damn. 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 Yeah, you getting fucked up. Speed, you getting fucked up. Emoing on his ass. Dancing on his ass. Damn. Yeah. What he thought it was. What he thought it was, nigga. Nigga, tell him. Nigga, tell him. What are you running from? Where you running from? Little nigga. Little nigga. Little nigga. Little nigga. Little nigga. Yeah. Yeah, fight back. Yeah, fight back. Yeah. Fuck, nigga. Fuck. You like, fuck. I can't keep throwing them hoes with him, though. I'm gonna get my ass knocked out. Like, fuck, I might get my ass knocked out for real. Fuck. Like, he beat my ass for real. Like, he beat my ass for real. Damn. 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 Like, just give it up. Like, just give it up. Come on. Come on. Come on, Speed. Come on, Speed. Fight back. 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 Fight back, little nigga. This shit, all in all, do look really fucked up. But Speed, you a grown ass man now, and you decided to go in that ring. I feel bad for you watching this, but hey, my nigga, for real, please fight back. I genuinely mean that shit. Like, nigga, throw a punch. This nigga he's not guarding his head. Just throw a fucking punch, bro. Throw it. You, at this point, son, just get knocked out or some shit, son. It ain't your worst case. Fuck it. But I ain't going, like me personally, I ain't going out like no bitch. You feel me? Like I'm not just gonna keep running this shit, son. Like fuck you. I gotta throw them hoes eventually, son. I gotta throw them hoes eventually, son. I feel like I got a better chance throwing them hoes than not throwing them hoes. You feel me? Like in a fight. That's what I'm trying to say. Damn. Then he finna come talk crazy to your ass. Damn. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, he's done. Yeah, it's GG. It's GG.
All right, JJ, we'll bring you over here.
He asked you if you wanted to stop. On some real shit, though.
This is the Anthony.
On some real shit. That was some real nigga shit. That was some real nigga shit. Like I genuinely saw it in his eyes. I think he genuinely asked him, like, do you want to stop? Like, if you want to stop, you don't got to keep going. I think he genuinely cared right here. Like, he genuinely, like, he got his bullshit off. That's cool. But, like, right here, I think he genuinely didn't want to keep it going. I see it in his eyes. He's like, fuck it. We don't got to keep going.
Should I go easy on you?
That's what I'm saying. See? See, he asked him.
All right,
He
JJ,
asked
we'll bring you
him.
over here. We want to have a quick reminder before the chat. This is
Yeah,
the
he literally
Anthony
asked him.
Walker Foundation.
Yes, we're doing this to charity, obviously.
I ain't gonna lie. Speed. You a real nigga. I would have said fuck it. It ain't. Sometimes, nigga, if you ain't gonna go in that bitch and throw your hands, then like, what are you doing, son?
It's great to be partnered.
It ain't even worth
with,
it.
Anthony Walker.
It ain't
Obviously,
even worth it.
He died over a racial attack.
Shit.
So it's good that we can spread awareness and raise
the
as
nigga
much
ask
money
me,
for-
I'ma say,
I mean,
fuck
for
you,
charity.
nigga.
For sure.
You already
I'm
beating
sure
my
the
ass.
stream will
What
do that,
I'm gonna go
honestly.
another round
Very
for?
successful.
Please donate. It's in the description. That's why we're doing this.
Yeah.
It's all for good fun and games, even if he is struggling to breathe. But
Damn. Nah, he's struggling to breathe like fuck. Like Speed. Everything in me just tells me you ain't gotta keep going, son. You don't got my respect by stepping in that bitch.
thank
If
you
you want me
guys
to
so
be
much
real.
for your support.
If you want me to be real,
Seems like we got an
son.
extra minute here left. Just talk me
Speed,
through
you
that.
ain't gotta do it,
extra 40
son.
seconds. Talk me through that last round. Speed
Yeah.
showing quite a good heart, I would say.
Yeah, you know what? There's parts of him that, really show that he's got that
What the
dog in him, man. Like, legit. There's times
Yeah,
I'm
he got that
just
dog in him.
wailing in on him. And
Yeah.
he's there like, no! You won't beat me. Then I hit him again, and he's like, oh, man,
Yeah.
this sucks. So, yeah. Ultimately,
Yeah. Yeah, he's still talking the
I might
shit
take
out
it
there.
easy on him. Depends.
he's still taking the
Speed,
shit
you
out
want me to
there.
take it easy on you? Oh, hi. We go hard again, bro.
Yeah.
All right, good luck for the next round, KSI. I'm sure you'll need it.
Yeah. Yeah, talk your shit, Speed. Talk your shit, Speed.
Action, time in, please. Let's go.
Yeah, tell him nigga I show speed, nigga. Tell him how that shit get, little nigga.
I'm in.
Tell him how that shit get, little nigga. Tell him how that shit get, little nigga. Yeah, he said cross the ring, little nigga. Yeah, your body fucked up right now, Speed. I ain't even gonna lie. Just come throw them hoes. Come throw them hoes. He gonna give you a chance, I promise you. Just throw them hoes. Throw them hoes. Throw them hoes, Speed. Throw them hoes. Just throw them hoes. Bro. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. You not even throwing them bitches. He not gonna, I guarantee you, he not gonna kill your ass like you thinking, bro. He gonna kill when you not fucking even doing shit. Like, at least throw them bitches, bro. You gotta have some type of confidence, bro. That shit would piss me off. Like, throw them bitches, bro. Throw that bitch. Come on, man. Throw that bitch. Okay. Okay, good dodge. Good shit. Throw that bitch, Speed. Come on, man. Bro, fight back. You're not even fighting though, bro. Like, I feel like, there you go.
Nice. I like it. Move.
Come on, man. That's what I'm saying, Speed. Throw them hoes. Come on, throw them hoes. Come on, throw them hoes. Throw them hoes. Throw them all speed. Damn. He trying to hype your ass up.
Big sauce. Come on. Oh.
Come on, man. Come on, speed. Come on, speed.
Big.
Come on,
There
man.
you go. Come on.
Come on, speed. He try to hype your ass up. Come on, speed.
Come on.
You gotta throw them bitches.
Mother, why this? Give me your best shot. Go weak.
Come on, speed.
Dead.
Come on, speed. You gotta get better.
Fight me.
Come on, man.
Yes.
This shit. He not even gonna hurt your ass at this point, son. He know he did it to your ass. Like, that's what I'm saying. KSI a real nigga at the end of the day. Come on, KSI a real nigga, son. Come on, he not just trying to follow you around the ring. Damn, son. I'm gonna skip to that. It don't even look like they fighting anymore, bro. For real, for real. Like, my nigga is tired. Yeah. Yeah, Speed got fucked up. Moral of the story, Speed got really fucked up.
With Doro
Speed
Speed,
got
I'm not
really
asking any
fucked up.
questions. I'm not asking any questions, Doro Speed. I know you're annoyed. I only came here to show you the chat.
Damn.
Speed, I'm only here to kind of hear the chat that everyone's cheering for you. Everyone's saying you're showing great heart. You want to see the chat there? Yeah, saying your fitness is better than they've seen.
Yeah.
Definitely put up a better fight than Pineda, as you can see there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. I mean, that's enough. Awesome. Best of luck for the last round, Speed.
Yeah. Bruh, there's a last round. Bruh, Speed, stop. Speed, you don't gotta do this. Speed, you don't gotta do this. Speed, you don't gotta do this. Speed.
Jiffy Lube, it's our job.
Like, nigga, you getting your ass
services
beat.
from oil changes
Like,
and tire rotations to
I'm not even enjoying watching it anymore. I feel bad. Like, at first it was kind of funny, but now I just feel bad. I feel bad.
You got it, bro. Halfway there. Halfway.
All right, come on, fuck that shit. Yeah, yeah. Last round. Speed, don't get knocked out. Come on, Speed. My nigga can barely breathe in that bitch. Hard ass breath. Okay. Okay. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey. What? What? This. Oh shit, my bad. Good punch though. Good punch. Throw them hoes, Speed. Please throw them bitches. He ain't gonna kill. He ain't gonna kill. This. Light jab, light jab, light jab, light jab, light jab. Now you're on his ass. Now you're on his ass. This. Come on, man.
Turn it on, bro.
Damn. 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 Damn.
Down. You good?
I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do it, bro. You gotta stop.
We can stop.
You gotta stop, bro.
No?
You gotta stop, bro.
Come on, man.
I feel like you need to stop, bro.
I'll lay some out on me. Come on. Just come on. Minute left. Minute left.
Come on,
Yo,
man.
Speed! That's your meat! Speed! That's on me! That's on me! Come on! Show me that meat!
Come on. Come on, Speed. 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 Come on, Speed.
Whoa!
Come on, Speed.
Alright. 20 seconds.
Come on, Speed.
Where you going?
My nigga can't do it anymore. My nigga going through. My nigga Speed going through it. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. This nigga KSI the ultimate troll. Nah, that shit was crazy. W Speed for real, bruh. You're a real nigga for even trying it. I would never try that shit, nigga. You way better than me. You a better man than me. I can't say you a better man than me. Let me not go that far. you a realer nigga than me when it come to this shit. I'll give you that. I tip my hat to you, nigga. Fuck, I tip my hat to you. Like that shit was cool. You probably need you some like BC powder or some shit right now. Like nigga, you fucked up for real, boy. You probably don't even know where you at right now.
In my prime, baby.
Nah, nigga, he had to. He had to get it off. He had to get it off. You thought shit was a joke, huh?
I want to talk to you real quick, man.
Yeah.
How old are you, bro? 18? 19?
Nah, for
Good
real.
heart. No, bro. It takes a big man. It takes a big man to get in the ring with me.
Nah, for real.
Many have tried, many have failed, and according to judges, someone was victorious.
Yeah.
No, it's not over yet, bro. Get back to me.
Bro,
It's not over, bro.
bro,
It's not over.
I'm proud of you.
Bro,
Nah,
it's
for real.
not
Huge
over.
thing. We
Man,
had
bro,
over
it's not
100,000 people watching
Nah, for real.
over. Bro, it's not over.
Nah, for real.
Bro, it's
I
not
want you to take
It's
this.
not over. It's not
Take
over,
this.
bro. It's not
Take
over,
this.
dude. It's not over.
It's
bro.
okay.
It's not over,
Let
bro.
it fuel you, bro.
I said 6 rounds, bro.
You-
It's not over, bro. Why you quitting, bro?
Bro.
If you quit right now, it's over, bro. I win, bro. Simple as that, bro. If you quit right
Yeah.
now, it's over, bro. I said 6 rounds, bro.
You know
Yeah.
what?
I said 6 rounds, bro.
Yeah.
6 rounds. Come on, it's
For
not.
you, for your tenacity,
Yeah.
I'm gonna tap out.
Yeah.
Bro, stand up, bro.
You win, bro.
No,
Yeah.
You
I'm
win.
not going
Yeah.
out like that, bro. God,
You win.
I'm not going out like that, bro. Stand over there, bro. God, stand over there. Why is it done? For what? I said 6 rounds, bro. It's not
Bruh, it's
over.
over. It's
For
over,
what, bro?
Speed.
It's not over. It's not over with, bro. I said 6 rounds, bro. I'm a grown ass man. I can do what I want to do.
proud of you.
It's okay, bro.
God, it's not over, bro. Oh, God, come on, bro. We fighting right now, my mama, bro. It's not over, bro. Oh, God, it's not over, bro. Come on,
My
bro.
nigga not trying to take his loss.
I said 6 rounds, bro. I said 6 rounds. Come on, bro. I'm not done fighting, bro. Oh, God, I'm not done fighting.
My nigga not trying.
6 rounds, bro. Come on, stop being a bitch, bro. What are you talking about? I said 6 rounds. I said, come on, bro. I said 6 rounds, bro. Why you leaving, bro? It's not over. Come on, dude. I'm not done. Bro, you're not done, bro.
Let's go.
Come on, bro. I'm not playing. Come on, you said 6 rounds, bro.
This nigga.
Take the other two another time, bro. We'll
Damn.
get the other two another time.
Damn. Damn. My niggas really eat it. My niggas really eat it. That shit hurt. Nigga, that hurt me to see. Damn. 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 Damn.